Hi, welcome to another tutorial, and in this I'm going to show you how to install OpenCV, and I guess this will be the shortest one I've ever done. So basically there's just one command, sudo apt-get install python OpenCV, and we will be good to go. Now for point is, in my system I have set it up as Python 3, because if I type this, the default is Python 3.7. but if you haven't, then please go through the previous one post where I have mentioned how to update the Python version system wide. So you can go ahead and set this up, and if you've already done it, then good to go. So just to be safe side, we can do this, okay, and if you're doing this like mentioning Python 3, then actually you don't have to set up the environment variable or the default Python basically. So you just hit 1, I have to get the password, and it says this much of MBs will be installed, so I'm gonna hit yes. I'm gonna pause this recording for now unless this thing get completed, and I'm expecting to be completed very quick, but let's wait on. Okay, so the installation is complete, and meanwhile the installation was going on. So this is the page. The point is, the way I have done is basically just to do programming and developing OpenCV application. It is not, if you want to play around with the source and all thing, then there is another way to install it, and this is like you can install everything from the base, and then you have to gradually complete this installation. So if you want to go ahead with that, by all means, but in my situation I'm just going to work for face detection, so I have just installed this OpenCV right away. So now to just check if I have done it properly, I can do this. So I'm gonna do import, from CV2 import CV, hit enter, and please don't give me error. Woo. Oh, sorry, import CV2, what I was doing as CV. Yep, actually CV2 is this, let's just get confused there. So what we can do is basically print the version and underscore version underscore, and I missed the spelling with V. Okay, so 3.2.0, I guess this is the latest one. So the point is CV install now, and okay, yeah, you can watch further recordings for face recognition and other things, but this is for specific how to install OpenCV with the bestest way. Thank you for watching.